Well, it looks like there's quite a bit more damage to the floor now that I peeled back that vinyl. And yeah, we're gonna have to do a little more extensive work here than we thought. There, goes right into the slider too. But got my solar panels for my generator. And in here, we knew we had a soft spot, but wow, that puppy's just caved in right there. I mean, I'll be able to peel that out. Luckily, it falls on a seam. So, and the back corner's a little soft. Gonna paint all this with Kilz, both sides, and cover the whole thing. It's just not worth messing with. I'll grind off all the metal, anything that's sticking out, and kills that too. I got some insulation for here and here, using 3/4 inch foam, and I'm just going to sister all the way up to here. Just missing the speakers. Put a nice cap on it. Do maybe some crown molding, small, low profile. Maybe just paint the walls, and that'll be a quick fix for that. This little metal, I just stuck it here. See if it's gonna work. And you know what? Once I get this thing buttoned up back here, this might be just a nice little end table for the bed. And it'll double as storage. So that worked out fine. Cleaned up the mess outside. Had to burn some of it. Stack the rest there till dump day. I got wood underneath there. It's pretty hot. It's about 80 degrees, 85. So that'll be a big project. It's gonna rain tomorrow. So hopefully by Wednesday I'll have this ripped out and repaired. I got a few things I got to take care of. Got a storage unit. So that's where we're at. And I guess we'll see what tomorrow brings. This is real bad right here. That's just gone. Flakes right off. So we'll have to see what all that entails. Okay, I'll check back later.